You find a perfect new construction home, brand new kitchen, new roof, builder incentives, everything looks amazing. Then 12 months later, your mortgage jumps by 600, 800, sometimes over 1,000 a month, and nobody warned you. That is what's happening to thousands of Texas homeowners right now. If you're buying new construction in Texas, especially around Houston, Katy, Fulshear, Richmond, or Rosenberg, this video could save you tens of thousands of dollars and keep you from buying the wrong house. And here is the biggest shocker I see from most home buyers, and they don't know what got them into this trouble. Most buyers think my monthly payment at closing is my actual payment. That is false. It doesn't represent the totality of your payment. The number at closing is often based on estimated taxes, not final taxes. On new construction, those estimates can be way off because many homes are initially taxed only on the land before the house is fully assessed. Mortgage servicers also know this, often lead to later escrow shortages once the full home value is audited. So imagine you buy a new build for $420,000. At closing, lenders estimate taxes based on land only value, maybe $70,000 assessed lot value. You think everything is affordable. Then next year, county reassesses full property. Suddenly, taxable value now stands at 420,000 or more, and your mortgage explode. That is how people get trapped. And here's the real number I want you to understand. Texas property taxes are among the highest in America. Statewide effective average is around 1.49%, though many MUD heavy suburbs can be much higher depending on district combinations. Let's take, for example, a $450,000 home at 2.7% local combined tax rate, common in some master plan communities with MUDs. Annual taxes 12,150. Monthly taxes will be $1,012.50. That is just taxes. Add mortgage principal, interest, insurance, HOA, utilities, and any other costs that we associated with it. Suddenly, your dream home becomes financial pressure. And the other thing I want you to understand here is why new construction hit so many home buyers hard. Resale buyers usually see previous tax history. New construction buyers often don't. That creates the trap. And here is why. County appraiser often values property as of January 1st. If the house wasn't complete, taxes may reflect only land or partial improvements. That first tax bill looks low. Buyer relaxes. Second year comes, full valuation arrives, and this is where reality hits home. Escrow shortage appears. Lender sends notice. Your payment is increasing, and many families weren't prepared. And one recent Texas home buyer described online, they got the cheap bill first year, then got slammed where full value hit. And the next thing here is the homestead exemption. A lot of buyers say, I file homestead, so I am protected. Not exactly. Yes, the homestead exemption helps. Texas school districts provide a $140,000 resident homestead exemption, and some local jurisdictions add more. But here is what many miss. The 10% appraisal cap generally applies only after you qualify, and then starting the following tax year, and new improvement can still be added outside that cap. That means first year new construction owners often still get hit with the jump, and the worst communities for tax shock that most homeowners are facing now. Not all communities are equal. Some newer developments in Texas carry city tax, county tax, school tax, MUD tax, PID, and other tax associated as long as you live in this area. Utility district assessment that can push rates significantly higher above older neighborhoods. Many buyers choose based on the following, and This is where they get it wrong. They choose based on granite countertops, huge kitchen island, incentives, but ignore annual tax burden, resale flexibility, future affordability, and all other things that will make them live comfortable in their primary residence or their primary home. That mistake can cost hundreds every month, if not thousands. And why some owners are selling now, given all of the challenges they face. I'm talking to homeowners who bought in 2023 and 2025. Now, insurance rose, taxes rose, groceries rose, utility bills rose. The payment became too much, especially when escrow rebalances after reassessment. This is creating opportunity for smart buyers because some owners are listed not because they want to move, but because they can't sustain the payment. And this is what I see with most homeowners or buyers, and how to avoid this trap so that you don't end up with regrets or surprises. And here are the steps you need to take. Here's what everybody should do right now. Ask for your full build out tax estimate, not current tax, not land tax. Ask the right question so that you can get the right answer. Ask what will taxes be after final county assessment. These are all correct questions or the right questions to ask. That question alone protects you. Check MUD and PID. A home can look affordable until district taxes are thousands. Always verify district obligations. The third thing you need to do is file Homestead immediately. Use the official state filing with your county appraisal district. Texas homeowner must usually apply. The general deadline is before May 1st. It reduces taxable value and starts future protection. The number 4 thing you need to do here, budget for payment sharp. If payment today is 2,800, ask, could it become 3,400? If yes, can you still breathe financially? Compare new versus resale. Sometimes a resale inside established neighborhoods has lower taxes, lower insurance, shorter commute, stronger resale, even if square footage is smaller. Bigger house isn't always better investment. And this is exactly what I want you to understand or take on with you today. What smart buyers are doing now in 2026 to save them from this trouble or the stress of buying their home. Smart buyers in Texas aren't just buying pretty homes, they are buying payment stability, lower tax exposure, stronger cash flow, long term affordability. That is the shift, and that is the mindset I want you to have. Because in 2026, many people realize the payment matters more than the purchase price. Before you buy new construction in Texas, run the numbers after taxes, fully catch up. No builder brochure numbers, no sales rep numbers, real ownership numbers, because the wrong home can make you house rich and cash poor. The right home builds wealth. If you're planning to buy in Houston, Fulshear, Katy, Richmond, or Rosenberg, or anywhere in Texas, and want to know the true monthly cost before you sign anything, reach out to me and I will help you compare taxes, neighborhood, financing, and future costs so you don't become a homeowner calling me next year saying your payment jumped by 900 overnight. Send me a message with the word taxes and I will help break down the real number before you buy. If this video resonates with you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification. Reach out, let's connect, and I'll be here to represent you every step of the process.